Again children, now we will discuss about nomenclature of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Nomenclature means how we can write down the name of these compounds that are haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay, we can write down the names of these compounds. There are two names, common names and IUPAC names. IUPAC nomenclature. ओके, कॉमन नेम्स जैसा कि नाम से ही पता चल रहा है, कॉमन नेम्स जो आप जनरल लेते हैं उनका नेम, दैट इज कॉमन नेम, एंड IUPAC दैट इज recommended by the international unit. Okay children, we will take example. Simplest one is CH3Cl. How we will write down the name of this compound? Okay, its common name. What will be its common name? Common name क्या होगा इसका? Common name आपको पता है, alkyl halide. This one is alkyl group and this one is halide. तो इसका common name होगा, the common name of this compound will be methyl chloride. Okay, methyl chloride. Alkyl group. अब हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस करना चाहेंगे what is alkyl group. We will also discuss alkyl group. We know alkane. Alkane simplest one example CH4. When one hydrogen is replaced from alkane, then the group obtained is called alkyl group. This one, its name is methane. This one is methyl group. Okay children, alkyl chloride, methyl chloride. Its common name will be methyl chloride and IUPAC name. What will be its IUPAC name? IUPAC name. Firstly, we will discuss the rules of IUPAC nomenclature. हम लोगों ने 11th क्लास में अच्छे से पढ़ा हुआ है IUPAC nomenclature. हम कैसे IUPAC nomenclature करते हैं? Firstly, we will write down word root. Okay children, word root. Word root means number of carbon atoms. Firstly, we will count down the number of carbon atoms and then write its name. After this, primary suffix. What is suffix? Which is write down after the name of word root. जो word root के बाद हम लिखेंगे, that will be primary suffix. In primary suffix, we include bonds. If single bond is present between carbon atoms, then we will write down ane. If double bond are present, then we will write down ene. And if triple bonds are present, then we will write down ine. That is primary suffix. After this, we will write secondary suffix. Okay children, what is secondary suffix? Functional group. Secondary suffix are functional group. Okay. After writing primary suffix, we will write down secondary suffix. In this chapter, we are discussing about alkanes, haloalkanes, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Means it comes in prefixes. Its name will be chloro, bromo, I. Okay. CH3Cl. Now we will see its IUPAC name. CH3Cl. Only one carbon is present. For one carbon, we will write meth. That is its word root. Okay, meth. No double bond. We are seeing no double bond. Only single bond is present. So we will write down primary suffix. That is A. And chlorine. Chloro group is added here. It is prefix. So we will write down chloro. At what carbon? First carbon. 1 chloro methane. Its IUPAC name will be 1 chloro methane. Okay children? Now, next example. Next example is CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. Firstly, we will give the numbers to the carbon atoms. We will start writing from right hand side because during Giving number, we will take least number to the functional group. Functional group is attached here from this carbon. So we will give its least number 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3 carbon atoms are present. For 3 carbon atoms, we will write pro. Single bond is present. A. Okay. Chloro. Chloro. At what carbon? First carbon. 1 chloropropane. Its IUPAC name will be 1-chloropropane. And what will be its common name? 1, 2, 3. That is pro. Alkyl. तो आपका L लग जाएगा. Propyl chloride. Its common name will be propyl chloride. And propyl chloride because it is a straight chain. And propyl chloride is its common name. And 1-chloropropane is its IUPAC name. Next, again we will see next example. CH3, CH, CH2, CH3, CH, CH2, CH2, CH. Okay, this one. We will start counting from right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why we are coming from this side, not straight? Because we will take longest chain. During IUPAC nomenclature, during counting, we will consider longest chain. If we are going straight 1, 2, 3, 4, we can find only 4 carbons. And if we are going downside, then we are getting 5 carbons. So we will take longest chain. There are 5 carbons. Its word root will be pent. Single bond is present only here. A. Chloro group is attached. Chloro. 1-chloropentane. Its IUPAC name will be 1-chloropentane. Next one. Again we can consider double and triple bonds. Okay children. CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH, CH3 and CH2Cl. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 5 carbon pent. This one alkyl group. It is attached to second carbon. Its name will be written before the word root. Okay. 2-methyl 1-chloro. We will write down alphabetically. So its name will be 1-chloro 2-methyl. 1-chloro 2-methyl pentane. Now primary suffix is present at which carbon? At third carbon double bond. For double bond we will write down ene. Ene 3. So its name will be 1-chloro 2-methyl pentene 3. Okay children. Now we will come about next one.
I have any.
Aries. This one is benzene. Chloro group is attached here. Its name will be, its IUPAC name will be chlorobenzene. Okay. Next, if we are taking 2 benzene derivatives, this one. In IUPAC, we will give its number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Its name will be 1,3-dichloro, 1,3-dichlorobenzene. Okay, children. Now, one more example we are discussing here. CH2Cl. What will be its IUPAC name? This one is benzyl group. What will be its IUPAC name? This chlorine is attached to that carbon. Okay, only one carbon is present. Here we will take this one phenyl group and chloro group. Its name will be 1-chloro, 1-phenyl, methane. Only one carbon atom is present here. So its IUPAC name will be 1-chloro, 1-phenyl, methane. This is about its IUPAC name. Okay children, we have discussed some IUPAC name here. Now we will do methods of preparation of haloarenes and haloalkanes. Okay children, thank you.